Thank you. Asante.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Jane Kuria, sister to Waziri. I'm here with my friends. Please come over.
Friends of the sister to the patron, MK Foundation.
I have sent my own donation of 100K. I have another 100 from Dr. Nancy Macharia, my good friend, Director CSC, 100,000. I have another 30,000 from Commandant GSU, Fred Tuasiri, 30,000. And then I have another 20,000 from Ben. I'll let my friends to introduce themselves.
Good evening. My name is Beneficiary, and my contribution is 20,000.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ann Kamau, and my contribution is 20,000.
Good evening, everyone. Magdalene Wageni, friend to the family, 20,000.
Apigiwe makofi 20,000 tafadhali. Thank you very much.
Good evening, Sarah Junge, my contribution 20,000.
Sarah Junior apigiwe makofi 20,000. Thank you very much.
Kuria, 100,000 M-Pesa.
100,000. Apigiwe makofi tafadhali. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Alois Kuria, brother to Waziri. I'm here to support this cause. One, a support from my friend, Gonada Ibrahim, 40,000.
Makofi tafadhali.
My personal support, 100,000.
100,000 shillings. Asante sana.
Good evening, everyone. A beneficiary of the CS mentorship, so I'm very happy to support this cause for the next generation, 30,000 from the private sector.
Good evening. My name is Geoffrey Chola. 20,000 M-Pesa.
Asante sana, bro. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Samuel Nzuki. Naona tutaenda World Cup. Thank you.
Asante. Umetoa ngapi? 20,000 shillings. Thank you.
Good evening. Nelson Maina, I work for Erawan Kenya. Nimetumwa na rafiki yako Dr. Bima Kantaria. Yes, ananiambia atakutumia 100,000. Okay.
Good evening. My name is Bashir. I'm contributing 30,000.
Apigiwe makofi tafadhali.
Good evening. My name is Ahmed Malim. I'm contributing 30,000.
Good evening. My name is Tony. I came with my wife. I'm a friend to CS. I'm contributing 20.
Good evening. I'm the wife. I'm Victoria.
You are the wife?
Yes.
You are the wife, eh?
Yes.
Okay. Wife and husband wametoa 10,000 times 2, which is 20,000. Asante sana. Thank you.
When we saw them cleaning our shopping centers, cleaning our schools, it is something, especially for the women, it's something very, very refreshing. So that has been another component here. So where are we heading now? We are heading to the round of 16. It is for the main cup. And funny enough, we have got, from all the 11 counties, we have got at least every county is represented. There's no one county that didn't qualify for the round of 16. Some counties, we thought that they don't have talent. Nyandarua, for example, has got three, imagine. Watu wa Waru. Yeah? Mind you. We have Olkarau, we have Kipipiri, and we have one more, Kinangop, qualifying for the round of 16. Some counties which we thought would do well, they have surprised us because county of Muranga, Mheshimiwa Karondo, it is only Katanga which qualified. County of Nyeri, we have got Odaya and Madeira. Yeah, and so on and so on. It has been extremely competitive. County of Kiambu, despite being 4 times the county of Nyandarua, they got the same number of clubs qualifying. So it's been so fair and so natural because we only have Kikuyu constituency, Rohiro constituency, and Vika town qualifying. So it's been very competitive in terms of the football, but also very fulfilling in terms of getting the young people to work together and to participate and to spread this cause that we are doing. After this, once we do the final is going to be in the first 2 weeks of June. It's going to be in Kirigiti. We had the round in Meru County, in Kinoru Stadium. You've seen the videos there. And you know, people from Meru who are here, they will confess that for the first time, Meru Stadium was full to the brim for a region that is not known for football. Yeah, it was really full. It was very fulfilling. And for the first time, people from Kenya were able to see football from Mount Kenya because we arrived on Citizen TV for a whole 3 hours, and so they could see that not just Biashara, people from Mount Kenya region can do something different. Where do we go from there? Beginning on the 16th of June, we are now starting the Western Kenya edition. 11 counties again: County of Kisii, County of Nyamira, County of Homa Bay, County of Migori, County of Kisumu, County of Siaya, County of Trans Nzoia, County of Bungoma, County of Vihiga, Kakamega, and Busia. 80 constituencies, same format, same prize money, same everything, same community service. So if you think Mount Kenya is competitive, you can start to think between our friends from where Tom Alira come from, our friends from Western and Kisii. I have been talking to my colleague, Professor Kindiki, because I think because of the prize money involved, I may need his services just to ensure that tournament runs smoothly. So, but there's a lot of expectation in that side. They are joining us in the final just to benchmark, and already the preparations are on. They are already selecting their players. It's a big thing because you can start to imagine the amount of talent that is in that region. Even coming up with a squad of 22 from one constituency, by itself, it requires a riot squad because everybody wants to be part of that. So that will run for another 4 months. Then we go to our third edition, which will be counties of Nairobi, Kajiado, Makueni, Machakos, Kitui, Tana River, Taita Taveta, Lamu, Kwale, Kilifi, and Mombasa. Yeah, so those will be another 11, 12 counties that are going to be in the third edition. Then we are going to have our fourth edition in the north, Garissa, all the way, Marsabit, everybody. And you know, in the group where Isiolo North and Isiolo South are, people who you think they are the only people not from the mainstream Mount Kenya, the winner of that group was Isiolo North. Wow. So, you know, they defeated all the teams from Meru County. So this talent is everywhere. I remember that we had to send police contingent during the Isiolo derby between Isiolo South and Isiolo North at Galbatura High School. A riot squad really had to be positioned there because it's very complex. So we have got talent all over. And then finally, our fifth edition is our friends from the Rift Valley, Central Rift, and the North Rift and South Rift. And it will also surprise you that even that region, there's a lot of football happening. The only problem is that they have, you know, people from Rift Valley, and I've seen my friends here, Felix, they are very good in football. The only problem, they run too much, they pass the ball. That's why they have some challenges there, you know. But we are going to, to involve also, that particular region, so that by this time next year, we will have covered the entire country. Then we'll start thinking of how can we now be able to bring all those young people together so that you can have cohesion.